Hey, Jimmy, I have something to say. Yeah, Glenn, you can say it. We've been friends for a pretty long time. Well, I don't know how to say this, but I slept with your wife. What? You slept with my wife? You right, royal bastard? Just because we're all swingers doesn't mean you have to go behind back like that. I'm sorry, you're swinging. What can I do? I'm a right royal bastard. I don't know if you can ever forgive me. Well, considering I also slept with your wife, I think we can still be brothers and love each other like we always have. So anyway, people, g'day. How you going? This is Australian Vulgar Language 101. Bloody oath. And today, we're talking about right royal bastard. What does that mean? Well, if a bloody got upon me, you're a bloody right royal bastard. Or you can do it with a snobby accent, and I am a right royal bastard. Wow, a royal bastard is someone from the Middle Ages to now who is an illegitimate child. So when we're saying illegitimate, we're talking about someone out of wedlock, so they weren't married. And that's where the term bastard comes in. A person who is a bastard was born to parents that were not married. So just say my parents are not married, I would be a bastard. I am a bastard anyway. I'm a bloody bastard. So when you're calling someone a right royal bastard, you're calling them someone of high status that was born out of wedlock. And it's a... Now it pretty much doesn't have as much of an impact because, especially in Australia, we like insults. If you don't like insults, you're not Australian. Except for racism, sexism, and picking on the handicap. That's a no. I don't do that. I pick on you because you're you. If you are a right royal bastard, someone who is not a nice person, who does wrong things to people, so you backstab people. No talk behind their back. Get a knife, stab. You can also do wrong things. You can steal their stuff. You can damage their property. You can also sleep with their wives. So, when you call someone a right royal bastard, you mean that they're just a cunt. So anyway, hope this clears things up. And please don't be a right royal bastard. Be nice to people. Don't sleep with their wives. Don't stab them in the back. You can give them blowjobs though. That's fair. Thank you very much for watching my video. And I hope that you have an awesome learning time with whatever you're doing.